Hello everyone. In this video we will see some of the outputs of the Adobe_channel tutorials. I hope you find it interesting. Disco ball. Twin comet. Rotate 3D cube. Digital background. Fountain of colored comets. Gradient background. Spiral background. Liquid background. Microscopic world. Neon loop. Matrix number strings. Neon radio wave. Wavy ribbon. Spectrum wave. Nested squares. Twirl circle background. Twirl background. Motion background. Digital background. Binary code. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, to see other tutorials, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.